Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable notifications on Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Here, you'll find your account or user settings. You have to press on it. Now you have to scroll down. You will find the option of notifications. Press on it. Now here you can see the option of notifications. You have to disable this button to turn up notifications of your Discord. And here you can customize your notifications. You can turn off the button of specific notification sounds. That's it. So this is how you can disable your notifications on Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.